Hi friends, in this video, we will see if 16 power x equal to 32, what is our value of x? At first, we will try to make 16 and 32 with the same base. So let us say 16, I can write it down as 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 because 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, which is 2 power 4. And 32, I can write down as 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. Because 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, and 16 2s are 32, which is 2 power 5. We are changing 16 and 32 into the same base, which is 2. So I'm going to replace my 16 with 2 power 4. So that is going to be 2 power 4 and then power x equal to, I'm going to replace my 32 as 2 power 5. So that is going to be 2 power 5. Now, when there's a power, another power, then you multiply, because we do have a rule, a power m, and then another power n, then we make it a power mn, which is the multiplication of them. So 4 and then x will be multiplied. So 2 power 4x. And that is equal to 2 power 5. Now my base is 2 here, my base is 2 here. So my base, both bases are same. So my power has to be same as well. So my power is here 4x. And here my power is 5. So this 4x and 5 should be same. So I can put down 4x equal to 5. So my x equal to 5 over 4. So x equal to 5 over 4 is the solution of the equation 16 power x equal to 32. Thank you very much, friends.